We just need to baste them in this spicy goodness. That is really good. You think hot wings have got attitude? These lamb cutlets just keyed your ute. You've had hot wings, you've had lamb cutlets, but have you ever fused the two to create a blaze of buttery glory? I'm Schuey, and today we're throwing caution on the coals. Hot wing lamb cutlets, a dish so bold it once got kicked out of a family barbecue for excessive flavour. Shout out to Mick, the man, the myth, the meaty legend, who hides out at Gippsland Premium Meats and hooks me up with all of my meat. These lamb cutlets are already looking a bit too smug, and we haven't even lit the fire yet. Now next up, we just need to give them a light coating of oil, not enough to fry a chip, just enough to make them glisten as if they were on a cooking show audition. As always, flip them over to do the other side. They won't do it themselves. After some light oiling, these cutlets now need some basic seasoning, and I'm going with SPG, or salt, pepper, garlic. Sergeant seasoning on board for action. Enemy acquired, preparing to salt. Enemy advancing, reloading with pepper. They just won't stop, finishing off with garlic. Mission completed. These can go back in the fridge until we get our barbecue ready. Applying a surface oil layer increases spice adhesion by 37%. Scientifically, this is classified as flavour stickage. Today, I'm using a Weber Go Anywhere, and I'm pairing it up with some Heat Beads lump charcoal because we need to be grilling over direct heat today. Let's talk sauce, because no hot wing lamb cutlet is complete unless it's had a mouth-watering lava bath. Into a small pot that's on a low to medium heat, add 100 grams of unsalted butter and 1/3 cup of Frank's RedHot original sauce and a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then we just want to melt it down gently until it's thicker than your mate Dazza after Friday night frothies. This butter is going to carry the heat straight to Flavour Town, with a little stop off at Regretville tomorrow morning. Capsaicin bonds to fat molecules. What this means is butter doesn't only just mellow the heat, it slaps your taste buds with a velvet glove. Now you may want to get yourself some heat-proof gloves at this point because we need to grab our grill and we're going direct for char. Now we just need to place the lamb cutlets on there gently, like you're laying a little lamb down for its final nap, and start a timer for 3 minutes. Now they're not brisket, so they don't need emotional support and a long hug. What they do need is a quick sear. Now after 3 minutes, they need to be flipped. Now you could use tongs and tong them all, or you could use the wire rack trick, which is just like flipping pancakes, but not. Just clamp them, flip, and back down. Super easy, done, and efficient. Flipping multiple proteins simultaneously reduces moisture loss and boosts social dominance by 12%. Total cook time for this recipe is 8 minutes. Or for those of you who love to follow my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. There's always time for a frothy when the flames are doing their job. It's now time for the best bit, the hot wing butter bath. We just need to baste them in this spicy goodness, then trap them, flip them, release them, and baste them again. And then straight back on the grill for 60 seconds each side. Once that butter hits the coals, you're gonna see some flavour fireworks, and you're gonna smell it before your neighbours do. So when they come knocking, just smile and close the gate. Caramelising capsaicin enriched butter creates a neuro-flavoured response, scientifically known as happy tears. One last flip to finish them off, and 60 seconds on that side. That's enough grilling time, they're ready. I recommend just grabbing one and taking a bite. And try and tell me that this isn't the most gloriously spicy, buttery, lamby goodness that you've ever sunk your teeth in. Oh, that's right, you didn't make them yet. They are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. They're also hot enough to make your beard go moist. Smut! You've just witnessed the birth of a barbecue icon. Hot wing lamb cutlets. They're spicy, tender, and they bite back. If you've not already subscribed, what are you even doing with your grill? Like and comment and tell me what other food fusions you'd love to see me ruin. You're watching Schueys BBQ, where flavour is dangerous and logic is optional.